Volume conversions. Volume is one of the important property that has to be discussed. Whereas volume is measured in two ways. One is in CGS system, there is centimeter cube. There is one unit that is centimeter cube, and in SI system there is another one unit that is meter cube. Whereas centimeter cube is CGS system of unit and meter cube is SI system of unit. Whereas volume is three-dimensional, that volume can be defined as, suppose if I take a cube of 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter width and the 1 centimeter height, in this three-dimensional part, whatever the amount of substance, whatever the volume of substance resides, that is said to be centimeter cube, which is CGS system of unit for the measurement of the volume. Suppose meter, everybody knows 1 meter will becomes equal to 100 centimeters. That is, instead of taking this 1 centimeter length, if I take 100 centimeters length containing tube, lengthwise 100 centimeters, widthwise 100 centimeters, and height-wise also what? 100 centimeters. Such a cube, in the interior, it is associates some amount of liquid substance. That amount of liquid substance is said to be what? 1 meter cube. This is known as 1 meter cube, and this is known as 1 centimeter cube. But originally, for the practical purposes, for the general purposes, we always use other word, that is centimeter cube is known as 1 centimeter cube is known as 1 ml. Similarly, here 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 ml. 1000 ml will becomes equal to 1000. 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 centimeter whole cube, which will becomes equal to 10 power 6 cubic centimeters. 10 power 6 cubic centimeters will becomes equal to 1000 into 1000 centimeter cubes. As we know, 1000 centimeter cubes is equal to 1000 ml. 1000 ml is known as liter, hence it will becomes equal to 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 liters. Thus, we are always, though we are saying in CGS system it is centimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube will becomes equal to 1 ml and 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 ml. Thus, as we discussed, 1 centimeter cube will becomes equal to 1 ml and 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 10 power 6 centimeter cubes. This centimeter cube is known as ml, hence this 10 power 6 centimeter cubes is also known as 10 power 6 ml. Whereas there is another one derived unit for the measurement of volume for our regular purposes, that is nothing but what? Liter. Liter is a derived unit of measurement for the volume, but liter is greater compared to centimeter cube. Liter lies over here. Liter is greater than the regular CGS system of unit of measurement of volume, that is centimeter cube, and the regular SI system of measurement of unit, that is what? Meter cube. So therefore, compare it to ml, liter will be greater, whereas compare it to meter cubes, liter will be smaller. Whereas this particular liter will becomes equal to 1000 ml. 1000 ml will becomes equal to 1 liter. Whereas here 1 meter cube is consisting, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Such of relation it is maintained, because as I know, 1 meter cube will becomes equal to what? 1000 liters. Whereas I know every liter is equal to what? 1000 ml. So therefore this will becomes equal to 10 power 6 ml. This is also known as 10 power 6 cubic centimeters. That is 1 meter cube will becomes equal to, that is 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 liters. 1000 liters will becomes equal to 1000 of 1000 ml. ml is known as what? Centimeter cube, hence it will becomes equal to 10 power 6 centimeter cubes. Thus, in reverse, 1 meter cube will becomes equal to, 1 meter is consisting 100 centimeters, that is 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters whole cube. Thus 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cubes, that is 10 power 6 cubic centimeters. That also becomes equal to 10 power 3 into 1000 centimeter cubes. 1000 centimeter cubes, that is 1000 ml. 1000 ml is known as liter, that will becomes equal to 10 power 3 liters, that is equal to how many liters? 1000 liters. That if I express in terms of cubic centimeters, that will becomes equal to 10 power 6 cubic centimeters. Every cubic centimeter becomes equal to ml, hence it also becomes equal to 10 power 6 ml. Here or there we always come across a word that is TMC. Whereas the reservoirs related water capacity is generally measured in terms of what? TMC. Whereas TMC stands for, T stands for 1000 and M stands for million, C stands for what? Cubic feet. 1000 million cubic feet is generally known as what? TMC. 1000 we know 10 power 3 and million is 10 power 6. That is 10 power 9 feet cubes. That is, if I take 1 feet length, 1 feet width and the 1 feet height containing dimensions containing system, in that whatever amount of water quantity is present, that into 10 power 9 times will becomes equal to TMC. Suppose if I want to express this TMC in terms of meter cubes, that is every 35.315 feet cubes will becomes equal to 1 meter cube, hence it will becomes equal to 10 power 7 into 2.83 meter cubes. Suppose if I want to express that TMC in terms of liters, as I know that is 10 power 7 is as it is, 2.83 is as it is, that is 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 liters, hence it will becomes equal to 10 power 10 into 2.83 liters. Or for systematic version we can write it as 2.83 into 10 power 10 liters will becomes equal to 1 TMC, that is 1000 million cubic feet, that is TMC. TMC in liters, if I express in liters, it will becomes equal to 2.83 times of 10 power 10 liters will becomes equal to 1 TMC. In an easy way to understand the TMC in terms of liters, this TMC which will becomes equal to 1000 million cubic feet, that is 10 power 3 into 10 power 6 feet cubes. But whereas 1 feet, if I express in terms of meters, every 3.28 feet will becomes equal to 1 meter. So therefore, if I want to convert this feet in terms of meters, every feet will becomes equal to 1 by 3.28 times of meters, hence 10 power 9 into 1 by 3.28 times of cube will becomes equal to meter cube units. That on multiplication, that on doing cubing, that reaches as 35.315, that is 10 power 9 divided by 35.315 meter cubes, which will becomes equal to 2.83. If I reduce two numbers from here, that it is 10 power 7 into 2.83 meter cubes. If I express this meter cube in terms of liters, every 1 meter cube will becomes equal to 1000 liters, hence it will becomes equal to 2.83 times of 10 power 10 liters, which will becomes equal to 1 TMC.